Hey, this is Tom Boyer from IR.Tools. Hey, want to let you know what is going on. We've got these new thermal target kits, and I think they're going to be very useful to your customers. So let's look at it. So the thermal target kits have got three components. First one is zeroing, training, and then last one is pasters to allow you to repeat the process. So step one is zeroing. Included in the kit is one of our universal zero targets. Of course, these are good for zeroing any advanced weapon sight, but in this case you'll use the thermal paster and you'll be able to zero your thermal sight quickly and accurately. The second part of the kit is the downrange thermal training target. So these are available as an E-type, a coyote, or a boar, and in this case you see the boar. Okay? So when you use this, you can set this down range. The tan portion will appear colder and the black portion will appear warmer, allowing you to accurately train shoot. Lastly, included in the kit are a set of pasters. So these pasters are very useful for covering up your shot holes in the tan film so that you can repeat the whole process again. So again, our thermal kits, one zero target, a downrange training target, and pasters, allowing you to be ready to take that most important shot.